Alright everybody, it's Mike. I'm back here in my kitchen. Time for the big game, whatever big game that is you want to have. It's always a good time for hot wings. And at Green, you know, we don't fry up the chicken kind.
Fry up the chicken kind, fry up the chicken kind.
We do cauliflower wings. They're super hot, delicious. And got a head of cauliflower here. Frank's Red Hot Original. I can't believe it's not butter, it's vegan. So we got some of that melted butter there, just melted that in the microwave for a little bit. I've got my oil going over here. We fry in a little canola olive oil blend. A good way to check the temperature on that. I want to be at like 350. You can get one of these guns for like 12 bucks at your Home Depot, or they use them to check your air conditioning filters and stuff to see how your AC's working. These are also great for checking the temperatures in your oven or checking the oil, see how that's going. So I'm right there at 345. That's good for me. Don't want to go any higher than that. We'll start to burn it. I'm going to take the bottom of this thing off here. I take my knife and I just kind of go around here and just get that core off of it. Now the key to these is you want them crispy. Put them in some soy milk here. And you don't want them too big. Then it's like steamed cauliflower. The big game is not about eating steamed vegetables. Just come and just kind of trim those little. And here we've got some rice flour. Gonna go into there. Toss them in that rice flour. Rice flour gives a little bit of crispiness to it. Kind of keeps them from getting greasy too. Like I said, it's a good gluten-free alternative for breading something that you want to be crispy. So we got our oil at 350 degrees.
Plus or minus here.
Don't want to go crazy on how much you put in there or it starts to steam them and not really fry them. We're going to want those to get nice and crispy and delicious. What I'd also like to do is get a little bit of salt and get it in this butter and hot sauce mixture here. We're going to let these fry up for about 3 or 4 minutes and then come back to check on them. All right, we've got our hot wings that we just took out, got them nice and crispy. We're going to take them and go into our sauce with them. Remember that sauce had just that Frank's sauce in there, any kind of good Louisiana hot sauce that you want. And then we've got a little bit of that, I can't believe it's not butter, vegan, margarine. We got enough sauce here for another batch. There are your hot wings, ready for game day.